Hello, and welcome back to another video. It's been like
a while.
3 months. So this is my first video I'm getting back into. I have already done a couple other of these Kevia Style reviews. Oh, and this has been sitting on my table for like a week. So we are going to get into it. The lovely Emma is here helping me today. Ooh, this is the first box that was different than the other boxes. So Emma has not done one of these reviews. So she's gonna help me, and she's gonna help me rate the quality, what she thinks of the box, all that good stuff.
I've got some nice baby poop brown so far.
It's yellow. It is yellow.
Baby poop yellow.
Okay.
Ooh, that's a weird smell.
That is kind of a weird smell. Here, tell him what it is.
Sphinx Servet. 3-piece Swedish napkin set. I think there's like some essential oil stuff in there because it smells like orange zest.
I don't know if these are reusable. I think they might be reusable.
Ooh, that one's pretty.
So if you want to hold the box, I will show them what these are. They have some prints on them. Svenska Bill.
Where is this one from?
This is the Zero Waste Journee Box. So I think it is from a collection of places. It says it is a 3-piece Swedish napkin set made from bamboo. It's biodegradable. Oh, and the paper can be used for little gift cards. Tags.
Cool.
That's cute. I really don't know why. I mean, part of me is like, is it just paper towels? I will probably have to look. Alright, next thing. Also, this came wrapped around the whole thing. It is just a piece of string with dragonflies on it.
I love string. 10 out of 10.
She does like string. Okay, next we have this. First thoughts.
She's cute, has a little bit of a bulgy butt.
That was a little boldy. Okay, the box is a little damaged, which makes me worried, because if you've seen my other video, I kind of raged. Woo!
That's handsome. What is it?
It's a soap dispenser.
Oh, cool.
Tis a soap dispenser. It just says Kevia on the bottom. That is pretty.
Feels ceramic. Yeah, it's definitely ceramic.
Looks like the top just pops open.
Okay, has a, yeah. Got some deuced in it. Should probably clean it up.
How would you rate this?
So
far, I'm giving it a 1 because I don't know what they do for the napkins. But the ceramic soap dispenser is quite pretty.
It has a good plastic seal to it, and it has just your basic pump dispenser mechanic.
Did I mention she's a craft master, so she is going to be a lot more critical than maybe I would be.
It's a good ceramic though.
Ah, I found the smell. Soap.
I want to eat it.
So, it smells really good.
It smells like tea.
It is a cold processed soap. It is olive oil, palm oil, primrose, almond, gardenia, mica, coffee, and this is mineral. I don't know what that means. I'm not a huge fan of palm oil soaps, but like, she's cute. I also don't really use bar soap. I know it's better for the environment. Okay, next. Oh, it's a tote. Tis a grocery bag. I like that. Sturdy. 10 out of 10. Oh wait, we were doing a 5 out of 5 stars. You know, a lot of the other boxes have been really oriented towards fashion. Well, this one is definitely more environmental earth houseware type things. Not a complaint, just an observation. I could see, like, if you had gotten used to the other boxes being more outfit-oriented, like, jewelry, body soap, like, self-care stuff, you might be a little taken aback at this.
It's a nice, simple design. It has a nice flat bottom. Like you can put stuff and it won't droop. It seem to be...
It looks sturdy.
This is definitely a... I don't think it's a duck canvas, but I think it's a canvas.
Canvas bag. I'm also surprised because normally there's like a
there are some
pamphlet in here that tells me like what all is in here, and I'm not seeing that this time.
Some of the edges are a little crispy.
Okay.
But they're just generally serged, so
shouldn't fall apart.
Shouldn't fall apart.
All right. Next is we have a teeny bag. I was just saying there's not jewelry or self-care stuff, and here's jewelry. This, I believe, is the stuff for the annual subscription. This is just a little, it kind of looks like a petal. Let me get closer, if you would be so kind. There. That's pretty good quality. I prefer silver to mixed metal, but I don't have any complaints. The other package in here, it looks like matching earrings. Ooh, you can see how red my face is. Yeah, these are matching earrings then. They're simple. I don't think these are something I would normally buy on my own, but they seem good. They look like they're pressed, maybe?
I don't know as much about metalworking.
Also, like, not as much jewelry in this one. This is the bag for the jewelry. And next is a colander.
Looks like a colander.
It's a straw wheat colander. Okay, say it like this, and when you want to dump, you do that.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
It's not as large as I would use for some things, but...
We are Midwesterners and we make Midwestern meals, gosh darn it.
Yeah, and also it doesn't look like these come apart. So I hope it does okay with clean. Oh, no it does. Haha. Okay, so it does come apart clean. Good, that was my one thing I was worried about.
A label
for returns. And then we have a basket with, it looks like some, oh, maybe a broken tassel. What does it, okay. I hope this is right, or I'm just like breaking this basket. It's gotta come out, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the basket is turned like inside onto itself, and I'm really worried I'm gonna break it. Okay, all right. Wow, that's
ugly.
really ugly.
But it does look like it could be hand woven.
Here, there looks like information. Oh, there are 0 waste tips at the bottom of the box. Reusable water bottles, buy secondhand, shopping bags, get a bamboo toothbrush.
Why would I need I already have a second hand.
This is why we can't have nice things. Out of everything, the basket is the thing I'm least excited about. Also, one of the tassels came off. I'm sure it'd be pretty easy to replace.
Yeah, it's hand woven from natural seagrass. Printed with water-based, environmentally friendly ink, made without bleach on
What
recycled
ink?
paper. 100% biodegradable.
Like, it's cool. I can't hold it up so people can see. Like, it's cool. I respect it's handmade. But I don't know what I'm gonna do with it.
Yeah. Like, it's someone's style, but not mine.
Leave a message down in the comments if you would like a basket like this.
I could make one.
Leave a message. Just comment down at the bottom if you want to see Emma make a basket.
Can't be any worse than the pine needle basket.
So, overall, what do you think of the box?
Like, you have some cooler things, but maybe it's part of the box not to have a lot of, like, long-lasting items to be biodegradable. That might be part of it. But it doesn't seem very cohesive overall.
Yeah, I'm not exactly wowed. Like, the color schemes don't really match. Like, we have, like, this is green, we have the silver and gold, we have whatever reason, this is mint and kind of a beige. Then you have, like, royal blue tassel. Yeah, it's just, out of all the boxes, this does seem to be the least cohesive one. Because the other ones all had, like, a location as the theme, which I think helped bring it together. So out of this, I think I'd probably give this like a 2, 3.
Yeah.
I feel bad saying 2 because like the actual items are good quality. Like I'm not unhappy with it, they're just not great. And also, I'm pretty sure either the necklace or the earrings are like the annual subscriber item. So it's like, I'm happy with that, but I honestly don't know if this basket would be worth it just to have like the earrings or the necklace individually without the set. But at the same time, while I'm an annual subscriber, I don't know if this basket actually added anything to the collection. So that's kind of it. I think this is my last
I think it's your last
box, or I have one more.
Is this your 4th?
My 3rd, I think. Because we had the Chinese one, the Grand Canyon one, yeah, and then Zero Waste would be the 3rd. So I have one more boxes of these, so I'll probably do the 4th one, maybe. Let me know if you want to see more subscription boxes, what you think. This is one of my shorter ones for the Kevia Style box, because there wasn't nearly as much to style, but that's about it. Thanks for hanging out with us. We'll be doing more videos soon, as in like recording later today, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!